Right now behind us, they're cooking cuy, which is barbecued guinea pig. Dirt road backwards very quickly.
Guys, we are headed out to a new adventure, to a place we've never been before. It's called Pisac, and we are going to be going with Miky again, so we know it's going to be a fun time. He's very knowledgeable and is going to show us around.
So let's go find our driver. I have a feeling this is going to be a good day.
Alright guys, we are in the car right now heading to Pisac with Miky. We are going to be seeing how the natives celebrate in Pisac.
There we go.
So we're stopping here at a quick viewpoint, a mirador, along the way.
We're so high up right now.
Look at these mountains.
And there's a bunch of cornfields down there.
This town down here is called Taray, and we're about 5 kilometers from Pisac. We're going to be going to Pisac, or at least a town that's very close to Pisac, I believe. We'll give you more info when we get there.
So this is the main town of Pisac, right?
Yes, this is the town.
No.
So, this is Pisac. And typically there would be a lot more tourists, a lot more people here, but it's pretty cool just seeing it the way it is now with
Only locals.
only locals.
This is a tiny, tiny little town just outside of Cusco. And there's some ruins here and a market and other things to see, but for today, I think we're gonna do something else.
There's a really cool little vibe here. I guess it's known as kind of a hippie town in Peru. I can see why. Guys, welcome to the famous Pisac market. Let's show you around a little bit really quick. What are you doing?
In Pisac, there's so many cute little cafes and coffee shops. We'll stop and get one later.
Guys, Pisac looks amazing.
This is such a cute little town. It's so quaint. There's lots of cafes. The walls have different carvings and lots of detail.
Even the ground. Look at
the walkway here.
Look at all the detail everywhere. It took a little extra time to make this place.
Everywhere we go, all the tourist spots are going to be empty.
We're so lucky. We're getting to see Peru in a way that no one really gets to see it. So guys, right now we are in the Plaza de Armas of Pisac. So it's the main historic center that's been here for hundreds of years.
No one's here, everything's closed. In Cusco, there's definitely a lot more things open. And in the center of their Plaza de Armas, they have a palm tree and another type of tree.
Wow, really beautiful center.
The terraces that go that way can be seen from here, and the archaeological complex is right up there. There are like more than 2,000 tombs.
Tombs? Where?
Tombs, yeah, there on the way. I mean, they buried their people there on the way. And
In the mountains?
In the mountains, like a small caves.
Usually there would be a market here every day, there would be people everywhere, but now we just have us and our crew.
Oh.
Hola.
Sirvete coca. Coca.
Coca leaves and corn.
Saca.
Do you want coca right now?
Alex, tú, ¿ah? Come.
He's insisting that I try some coca leaves. We've had these before, but I like them, so I'll do it again.
Ok. Muy bien.
Me gusta coca. Yeah. Here you go.
Es para ustedes.
Aw.
¿Ya?
Gracias.
Sí, sí. Ya rico.
Gracias.
Do you eat it?
Sí. A ver.
You want to try some roasted corn?
Nada más azúcar con amor.
See, he's teaching her
How to do
how
it.
to.
Keep it in your cheek.
Yes, and then you blow it by like sharing this with Mother Earth and
You
thanking.
blow on it?
Yeah, like I'll show you.
Conocer con los apus, ¿no? Con la
It's
naturaleza.
like this. Most people from Cusco usually thank Mother Earth for producing this before eating or putting this into their mouth. It's like, this is what I mentally do every time I have coca leaves. I like thank you Mother Earth for providing food and strength so I can work better. And by blowing, you share it with the universe, and I can share it with you guys. Let's go.
Share it with you guys.
Por la amabilidad.
Is that real?
The stems gagged me.
Right after respectfully giving thanks.
I like coca. It was just all the dry leaves. If you ever have done this, put anything super dry in your mouth, it's just like that.
If you're not used to it, it's not easy.
Hey guys, we're about to enter a traditional, a colonial time oven where people nowadays still bake bread. We're about to try some of the nicest bread and empanadas from Cusco here in Pisac. You have to come here. Let's go. Yeah, they don't have the empanadas. They're going to be ready for later, but we're buying bread.
So guys, right behind us right here, this is a colonial oven. It's been operating for hundreds of years. And you can tell, I've never seen an oven like this. This is amazing. You guys have to come here. It's an experience in itself, just being around this. What kind of bread is this?
This is trigo bread.
Straight out of the colonial oven that's been operating for hundreds of years.
So this is guaro bread, another bread
Gracias.
that's very popular here. Guys, feast your eyes on the longest spatulas in the world.
Just got this bread from that oven. It's actually really good. This one's still super hot.
Wow. They have a really cool bread culture here in Peru, or in this area, where different towns make different types of bread. You can see kind of the pattern on that, the way that they put it together.
It's braided.
And this has a name, and everybody knows the name of it. And then there's another kind right here.
And people here seem to really take pride in their bread. Pretty good.
Didn't know Peru was known for their bread at all. Right now behind us, they're cooking cuy, which is barbecued guinea pig. So we decided we're gonna get a couple coffees here. We each got a vanilla latte. Let's see
favorite.
how it is. This place is awesome.
Lots of light coming in. Cute aesthetic.
Traditional, they're still cooking in the same way. I think that they were in colonial times in the same oven. It's so cool.
Can't see that back home. Gracias.
Beautiful.
I haven't tried it yet, but it looks amazing, and it comes with this cute little mini cookie. They do that a lot here in Peru.
So we are trying coffee all over the world, all over Peru, all over Colombia and Mexico before this. And I'm on the search for the best cup of coffee in the world. This is it. No, it's not.
Although,
So guys, sadly we're leaving Pisac. We have actually really liked it right now. We like it because there aren't that many people. Don't know how it would usually be, but it is a beautiful town.
It's this cute little town and it's surrounded by a ton of hills, mountains, ruins, terraces. So pretty. So now we're gonna go check out the celebration.
And another small, tiny little town nearby. Going higher and higher and higher.
These curvy dirt roads.
Dirt is just in our faces. You can hardly see anything. An adventure already. Looks like we're driving in fog, but no. It's just Andean dirt.
How much higher can we go?
It never ends. But that's how it goes. The higher you go in Peru, the better the things you'll find.
And we still don't know the name of the little town that we're being taken to for the celebration, but once we arrive, we will find out the name. Hola!
Yes, do you have bread?
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah, can you give him some
¿Cómo te
bread?
llamas?
¿Quieres pancito?
¿Quieres pan? Can you see it?
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao. He has the bread. He's all excited. That was so cute. He was so excited to get a piece of bread.
Look at all these adobe bricks the whole way to build all these houses. We're going downhill on a dirt road backwards very quickly.
We accidentally went the wrong way. This place is really hard to find. It's very remote. I'm sure it'll be worth it.
We've gone the wrong way probably 3 or 4 times now.
Hey, I'm enjoying the drive and all the scenery though. And Potato's not minding the ride either. He's good with road trips.
Sharing coca leaves everywhere we go.
Ahí está. Sí, hola Samuel.
Well, we got invited to a family celebration, it seems. So we're going to get into a house and we're going to see how people really live here. So I mean, it's not like a tourist thing. We're going to see how people very far from the city actually have costumes, what they eat, how they celebrate. That's what we're going to see.
Do you know the town?
I know, that's fine.
None of us know the name.
Alright, we just made it to PARU.
Paru.
Yeah.
PARU, way up at the top of the mountains.
And what's cool is we're in a crew of like, what,
8?
5, 6, 7, 8 people, and none of them have been here before. So this is new to all of us, even our tour guide.
Let's go, we're visiting a friend. We're gonna celebrate something.
The air feels so clean up here. No pollution. We're up in the hills.
Other than all the dust that we've been kicking up with our cars that's just getting in our mouths. Besides that, we are so far away from all the other destinations. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, so yeah, it's so clean up here.
How far of a drive
Peaceful.
from Pisac? I'd say at least 40 minutes, maybe an hour.
Yeah, 40 minutes to an hour to get here.
Just because
from
it was a
Pisac.
lot of windy, slow roads.
So let's check out this place and take part in the celebrations. Alright, so Miky just told us that we are gonna have to climb a fence.
How is this gonna go? Flip-flops.
Let's check it out. Alright, here's the fence.
This is their
I'm gonna have
version
to carry him
of
over.
a fence.
It won't fall, right?
No.
It's a rock fence. Potato, are you gonna make it?
Hey! Beautiful.
There you go,
Come on,
buddy.
Potato.
Good boy.
Oh. Come on.
He's trying. Oh.
Alright, good boy.
You gotta get that.
Look at this landscape,
Oh, no,
beautiful.
no, potato, potato, no.
Potato,
no.
come here, come here. Look at this place.
We're going to eat. Look, those are the Watia hornos. They're going to get, no, as a matter of fact, they're not Watian, they're Pachamanca.
Hola.
This is Samuel.
¿Cómo estás?
Hello, Samuel's father. Samuel's family.
We're finally getting to try something we've been wanting to do for a while.
Pachamanca. Take a look at this.
How much work went into this? It's beautiful.
They're happy. They have everything they need. So that there is chicha. Never had pig chicha before.
They say that's how those hats are supposed to fit.
Guys, look at this. We're finally in one of these adobe houses. We're gonna have a meal in here.
Wanna try it?
Salud!
Chicha!
Alright guys, really quick. We have some Potato Head merch. So Mr. Potato Head, we put him on some t-shirts, some mugs, and other things. We think it's pretty cool. So all of these have been hand-drawn by myself. So check them out, see if you want anything. Let us know what you think, or if you have any ideas of things that you would want to see on there.
And the link is in the description below, and it's through Teespring.
Do you want postcards from around the world? Right now I am writing and drawing on postcards to my subscribers. If you want to join my Patreon, click the link below. You'll be supporting the channel and you'll be getting something pretty cool with a drawing from me. Hey, thanks for making it all the way through this video. If you want to watch more, click one of these videos. Subscribe because I'm traveling all around the world and I'm sharing the whole thing with you. Thanks.